think like watching tutorials and cook-ups like on YouTube, on Twitch or whatever, I think it's just like super important to do like in between making beats, or if you're like suffering from beat block, I think it can be really helpful, even if it's like in the same genre that you normally make beats, and what the person's talking about like you've already heard before. Like I think it's like really, really important, because it can give you like a deeper sense of knowledge on the things that you already know and understand, and also the way that somebody might explain it. Sure, you like might already know the information, but once you're hearing it from somebody else and kind of like their perspective or how they word it, can really just like help you understand it on a deeper level, or even just like kind of give you more ideas, sparks more ideas. You know, you can kind of get like a little bit arrogant and think like, oh, I know how to make beats, like I'm chill now, whatever. But I think like, especially in this kind of industry, it's really important to just like always keep your skill set like updated and current and new, and be learning new techniques. Sonics are forever changing, and I feel like all the people at the top are always kind of see themselves as like students to the game, and like they just always want to learn. They're just like always on the journey of learning, like, you know, they never reach a certain destination. So yeah, I just think like it's really important to watch tutorials and cook-ups and just people live streaming and making beats and stuff like that. You might watch like a whole 20-minute video and you know like 99% of the information in it, but it's just like that 1% that you have to watch like that whole video just to figure out something new. And I just think like it's so important to do that, so like on a regular basis, so that you're, you know, keeping yourself ahead of the game type thing. So DJ in there. I did not expect to make that kind of beat. I kind of like Witch House, to be honest, but just goes to show like sound selection for like drums and stuff really have such a big impact on what you're making. This melody could have really been anything, and it was to a point. And then I guess I kind of did some crazy hi-hats that weren't really like normal hi-hats, and that kind of like gave it more of like a dance vibe, I guess. And then like I unintentionally chose this like bass that's like a Rip Squad bass. I found it in a pack and I like the sound of it. But yeah, that sounded like Witch House, I guess. And then I just got more of an idea to switch out some of the other elements, and then it just kind of turned into this like more of a dance track. But yeah,